I'm replacing the siding with vertical. So this installs vertically. It's gonna be like batten board style. So this door's coming out. It's already blocked off on the inside. Interior is almost finished. So this is a living room, dining room, kitchen, all in one. Got the 3/16 plywood shiplap. There's the pantry. You got a microwave in here. You got hookups for TV, cable. You got a fake brick. Plain cheap vet hood with the built-in hood. This room's finished. These are about 7 by 11. It's got central heating, the return AC vents, got 8-foot ceilings in here. You got the full washer, dryer. You got these little sliding pocket doors, steel. Full bathroom. It's a large walk-in shower, about 6 foot wide. There's a second bedroom. This is where the door was. Got a mirror there. So this room's also 7 by 11. This thing is 34 feet long, 12 foot wide, about semi-trailer height, and it's got a 2 5/8 hitch, 18,000 pounds. Could be towed by a 450, 550 diesel truck, but we'll need permits because of the width. And I'm rebuilding the deck too.